friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to wet your skin. We need those ingredients to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of flour, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this recipe on your skin. I'll leave it on for 5 minutes. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.